Hi everyone! Let's make these pretty pink, black and white beaded hoop earrings. First we want pink, black and white beads, a hoop thread and needle. Now, start threading your beads in any pattern you like. I'm using pink, black and white, alternating them for a nice look. Slide each bead onto the hoop and gently push them close together so they cover the base evenly. Keep adding beads, one by one, all around the hoop until the whole earring is filled. Make sure the beads sit snugly and the pattern looks even as you go. Once your hoop is fully beaded, tie the thread securely so nothing comes loose, and carefully trim any extra thread. Take a moment to adjust the beads so they sit perfectly, and admire your finished earrings. They look amazing. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and easy DIY jewelry ideas. Check out my other videos for more step-by-step tutorials and inspiration.